Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dive into the nitty-gritty so you don't have to. Today, we're putting two robo-helpers head-to-head in a no-holds-barred vacuum showdown, the Lefant M210 and the iRobot Roomba Combo Revive Plus. Grab your popcorn, because this is going to be epic. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The Lefant M210 comes in at a sweet $199. That's right, it's cheaper than your average sushi dinner for $4. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus will set you back a cool $549. That's more than my last grocery bill, and I like to eat. If you're ballin' on a budget, Lefant might just be your new BFF. Pet owners, listen up. Lefant M210 is advertised as a fur-busting beast with its brushless suction port. Reviewers say it's great for tackling pet hair, especially in households with high-shedding pets. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus also claims to handle pet hair with its dual multi-surface rubber brushes. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness, but note it might not be as specialized as the Lefant for pet hair. So, both are pet-friendly, but Lefant is like that friend who's obsessed with lint rollers. It's got you covered. Now, let's get techie. Lefant M210 boasts smart app and voice control. You can schedule cleanings, adjust suction, and even shout at it through Alexa or Google Assistant. Reviewers love the convenience of connecting it to Alexa for added ease. But hold up, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus takes it a step further. It learns your home's layout with imprint smart mapping, so you can tell it to clean specific rooms. Reviewers find this feature particularly impressive, saying it makes cleaning more efficient. It's like having a butler with a PhD in floor plans. Who says robots can't be overachievers? Cleaning modes, anyone? Lefant M210 struts in with 6 modes: auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual. It's like a vacuuming Swiss Army knife. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, especially in homes with varied cleaning needs. But Roomba Combo i5 Plus? It's got a secret weapon. It's a vacuum and a mop. Just swap the bin and voila, it's ready to tackle wet messes. Reviewers love the dual functionality, saying it saves time and effort. It's like the Swiss Army knife with an extra spatula. Battery life showdown. The Lefant M210 boasts up to 120 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's 2 whole episodes of your favorite binge-worthy show. Reviewers are generally satisfied with its battery life, noting it's sufficient for most cleaning tasks. Roomba Combo i5 Plus doesn't flaunt its battery life as much, but it automatically empties its bin for up to 60 days. Reviewers find this feature incredibly convenient, even if the battery life isn't as long. So while Lefant keeps going and going, Roomba's like, I got this, you relax. Last but not least, let's talk support. Lefant M210 offers a 12-month warranty. If it misbehaves, you've got a year to send it to the principal's office. Reviewers have praised Lefant's customer service, saying they are responsive and helpful. Roomba Combo i5 Plus might not flaunt its warranty details, but iRobot's known for stellar customer support. Reviewers highlight the brand's reliability and quick problem resolution. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who's always there to bail you out. Overall, both the Lefant M210 and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus have their unique strengths as highlighted by reviewers. The Lefant M210 is praised for its affordability, pet hair handling, and convenience, while the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is lauded for its advanced features, dual functionality, and excellent customer support. So there you have it, folks. The Lefant M210, the budget-friendly, pet hair-busting smart vacuum with a Swiss Army knife approach. And the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus, the pricier, self-emptying, room mapping, vacuum and mop hybrid. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips on Buy Smart. Check the description for product links. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy.